So should you need more cheetahs, you've come to the home of cheetahs.
The ambitious Project Cheetah, which was launched last year, is all set to import a fresh batch of cheetahs from South Africa. The Gandhi Sagar Wildlife Sanctuary in Madhya Pradesh will soon become the new home of the acquired cheetahs. Last year, 8 cheetahs from Namibia and 12 from South Africa had arrived in Madhya Pradesh Kuno National Park. But since March, 6 adult cheetahs out of 20 have died due to various reasons. In May, 3 out of 4 cubs born to a female Namibian cheetah died due to extreme heat. One of the reasons for their death was the development of thicker winter coats during summer and monsoon seasons, which caused severe infections in some of the big cats. The thick coats were developed because the animals had anticipated the African winter from June to September. This time, the government has planned to import cheetahs that do not develop thicker winter coats. SP Yadav, Additional Director General of Forests at Environment Ministry, had said that the Project Cheetah's focus in its second year would be on breeding these animals. The total cost of the Project Cheetah is estimated at around 91 crore. Though it's a good move that the government is taking a step to bring back these extinct animals, it is coming at a huge cost, and an important question will arise here. Will the coming cheetahs be able to sustain the Indian climate? Daily Salar Digital spoke to one of the animal activists, and this is what he had to say.
Already we have noticed that some animals have died. The excuse given was that they did not take into account that the African cheetahs develop a thick winter coat. Their season is different from our season, southern hemisphere and northern hemisphere. Okay? So that was not factored and we lost a lot of cheetahs. Now, if they are going to talk about factoring in the winter coat and all the other parameters, they should have first thought about this before the concept of bringing the project to India.
Okay.
Personally, I believe this is a waste of money. The 90 crore has been wasted on this, which is unnecessary. The same money could have been used for our tiger project. Our project tiger areas, we have 53 tiger project tiger reserves in the country.
Okay.
Half of them have not even received money for protection.
Okay.
So all this exercise of bringing in cheetahs from Namibia and South Africa is a waste of money, waste of time.
Okay.
It is basically for the ego of somebody.
Okay.
We cannot waste our money. We are killing these poor animals. Now the government is letting the animals into another area because they suddenly realize that Kuno is not the right habitat for the cheetahs.
Okay.
So they've identified another area where they're going to release these cheetahs. First of all, we need to understand our habitats are entirely different from what is in Africa.
Okay.
Those are savanna grasslands. Here we have rocks, we have bushes, we have trees. For a cheetah to chase and kill an animal, it needs a long runway kind of stuff.
Okay.
Unfortunately, we don't have. And also, the other kind of challenges that the cheetah faces is we have tigers and leopards in our own area.
Okay.
There are even hyenas, so they could get killed.
Okay.
So the whole purpose now, the whole exercise is a drama. They've realized it's a failure.
Okay.
Now they want to show they can do it differently. This is absolute waste of time. All this money is being wasted. Either it could have been pumped into tiger reserves, or it could have been spent on building hospitals and schools for the poor.
Okay.
So the total disaster. These cheetahs are not going to survive for long. That much can be written down, whatever they do.